My name is Ifeoma. Today's tutorial is about how to take tape measurement. So, if you don't understand how to use a tape measurement, I'm going to link a video in the description so you can watch that. You understand how to use a tape measurement. Now, let's get into the tutorial. Here, this is my daughter. So, she's going to help me with showing you how to measure someone. Yeah. The first measurement we are going to take is the measurement for the shoulder, from one end of the shoulder to the other end of the shoulder. So please turn your back for me. So you measure it from here to here. Now, turn back. The next measurement is the circumference of the bust. The bust is the highest, is the widest part of your upper body. So here is our bust, 36. You don't make it too tight, just hold it on, put your finger in between here. Now the next measurement is the waist. The waist is is just an inch above your belly button. So this is her waist, 31 inches. And the next one is the hip. The hip is the widest part of your lower body. Here is her hips. Now, the hips, you have to make sure that it's absolutely on the widest part of her lower body. Now, turn side so they can see where the hips is. Yeah? Now, that's it. Come back around. Now, the next measurement is the measurement of the waist, of the shoulder to the waist. So, I'm going to take this at the back because it's better done at the back. So, you start from the highest point of the shoulder, just by your neck here, the highest point of the shoulder, all the way to the waist here. So is 16 inches here. Now turn around. The next measurement you're going to need, let's say you're going to take a measurement of if you're making a top. So it's going to be from the highest point of your shoulder here, over the bust, and to whatever length you want your top to be. If it's a crop top, if it's a top that has to over the waist, or to the hips. Now the next measurement is the measurement of a full length. A full length if you're making a dress, knee length dress, and floor length dress. So same thing, is from the shoulder all the way to the knee. Here is 40 inches, and if you want a full length dress, it's all the way to the foot. Yeah, all the way to your foot. She has 57 inches. Now the next measurement is the measurement of your armhole. You want to know how wide your armhole is, and you use it for the length of your armhole as well. Now you just put the tape under and wrap it around your arm. Yeah, 17 inches for our armhole. Now the next measurement is the length of the sleeve. Now depending on what sleeve you want, you can measure for the short sleeve, half sleeve, and a long sleeve. So for short sleeve, you can use 6 inches for her, and for half sleeve, 11 inches all the way to her elbow. And for a full sleeve, you bend your arm a little bit like this. So it's 23 inches all the way to the wrist. So those are the basic measurements you need to make some projects. As I said earlier, maybe a top, a skirt, a trouser, and many more. Thank you for watching your video. Until I see you on the next one, bye.